Good day, everyone. Today we are going to have another reading lesson. Today we will read words with consonant blend, and this is already lesson 7. Once again, this is teacher Yumi. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so that you will get notified for my next video upload. So let us start. Okay, let us start with the GL or the GL. Glad, glad. Glance, glance. Gland, gland. Glass, glass. Glim, glim. Glimpse, glimpse. Glare, glare. Glide, glide. Glitter, glitter. Gloat, gloat. Globe, globe. Gloom, gloom. Glory, glory. Glose, gloves. Glove, glove. Glow, glow. Glue, glue. Okay, let's read together. Glad, glance, gland, glare, gleam, glide, glimpse, glitter, gloat, globe, gloom, glory, gloss, glove, glow, glue. Okay, it's time for you to read now. Very good, and I hope that you learned from today's reading lesson. Once again, this is teacher Yumi. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please follow me also on my FB page, Reading Materials and Video Lesson by Teacher Yumi. There you can get printable reading materials and video lesson. Once again, thank you and God bless.